Hi guys, how's it going? How are you guys doing? I just want to come out here real quick to do a weekly outlook, what we're going to be looking forward to at market open. And yeah, that's what I'm here to do. Last week, I think we had a couple of trades. There was the last one I said was good. I said it was low probable. I didn't jump on it. I wasn't sure about the entry. But the other one was 7 pips stop loss. If I had given space, a bit of space, like 3 pips more, man, it was a crazy one. I think that was 80 USD. Let me look for it. Was it my other computer I used? Let me check it just 1 second. I think it was my other computer I used, but let me open the Telegram channel. Just 1 second. I think I found it. So just 1 second. I'm gonna open it. Okay, it was 80 USD. Yeah, let me just bring it to that screen. Why is it not coming? 80, yes, it says no. But I'm just going to show you on the chart. It was 15 minutes. Let's go back to it. Was it this? Okay, it was this. Look at this, guys. It was, no, it was, yeah, this was the one I called. And then I put the SL around this place, I guess. Yeah, something like that. Took us out, came back to this. So one thing is if I was actively on the chart, right? So when he did this, I would have seen that there's another entry here. I'll take the entry around the same entry and then look at this. Crazy how many pips. It was just a peep and deep kind of thing. I just saw the opportunity and I was like, let's do this. Okay, it went for about 27 pips. That's not something I wanted to hold for longer. You understand? Let's start about that. And then let's go straight to today. First things first, the market has been very crazy, fundamentals flying here and there, but it doesn't disturb us from doing what we want to do. We're going to look at DXY first. Let's see DXY first. This is on a monthly time frame. So we're seeing crazy fall in the price of the dollar, and the last time it was 120 was 2002, and then it got to another high 2022. Since then, we've seen it move down. So looking at this from this, I think at this time, this was 2021 when I drew this, we had this move. So first things first, we see that we had a crazy downtrend here, like it went down crazy. We started seeing it move to the top, 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 like higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So it broke this previous high, and then so let's make this like this. First things first is we're gonna delete this, and delete this too, and this. So we're in between this and this high, this new high, right? And this is the new low. Uh, I'm not going to be looking for anything before this place on the 1 month structure. Now let me go back to 1 week. You look at the weekly structure, still have the same move, right? But now we have internal lower trend. Not exactly, it is the full trend is uptrend. You can see this. But now, of course, we'll have retracement back to this zone for it to move back to the top. Now, what opportunities are we looking for? Two opportunities. Let me go ahead and delete this. You could either see it move, where's my, okay. We could either see it, give us a retest here, maybe somewhere around here or here, then move to the downside, right? Then we'll have a buy. So what's we'll be looking at, but I still don't see a perfect entry here. Let's go down to one day time frame. Same thing, right? Break of structure and then look at the move. So now the only thing I'm going to be looking for on this is sales till we get to that buy. Do you understand? So if you look at this, I wanted it to come to this area at some point. Oh no, we're still having the okay. I wanted us to visit about this area there about okay. It didn't come to it. Yeah, it took it in. And yeah, it's not been really giving us good structure. Let's look at 4 hours. There's really no structure on the X, and that's because of what is happening around. So now we just trade carefully. Okay. Let's go to all the assets one by one. We understand my view on DXY. I just want to see continuous sales till I get to like the big buy. You understand? So this is AED USD, AED card rather. Let me go to 1 day time frame. So I wanted to see it get to this place first. It didn't get there. It started making its move to the downside. Structure, I don't really like downtrend, crazy move, the news. And then this, I don't like the structure of AED cards. I don't like to trade what I don't see very sweet entries. This has been a low trend too on the day time frame. I think I marked up this, took it out, though I didn't enter it. So I was just marking up. Okay, look at this. We missed the entry, came almost like this is even the TP, and then went back down. But I didn't take it. Structurally, I don't like it. I really don't like it. But if you're going to see anything, you might see something like this. Yeah, something like this. It comes up to this point. We're going to see obviously good structure. We can take a bite to this point. That's structure, like I'm still saying. Okay. If we see that, yeah, it's put on to 1 hour time frame. So why I go to the top is I like to see the general structure, right? And then the continuation. So here I just saw something on 1 hour. It would have been a very crazy trade if you had waited for this point, right? This is a good entry. And then the stop loss, okay, it went for the stop loss. That's probably during the news or something. It went straight for the stop loss, but it's a very good structure, you know. If you want to take this, we have to wait to see good structure around this range, this area, and then we can still take it to the top. But let the market open and we're going to see the market movement at the time. Then 4 hours. Okay, so this is AEDCHF, the same one as for AEDJPY. Let me see 1 day time frame. I've not traded this pair in a very long time because I don't even like the structure. Look at it, nothing, 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 nothing. Let's go to 4 hours. So be honest, nothing. Nothing on AED, USD. I think this guy is now my guy in a way, though he's still moving with the dollar, AUD, USD, but yeah, some of the pairs are still giving us, entries. Looking at it from 1 day time frame, just as stupid as, I don't like the structure. Pardon my French. Look at this now. I think it's not my friend at the moment because structure is not structured. Look at this. It's just there, all these long candles, the news, and the rest of them. But let's see something, okay? Let's see if we can make sense out of no sense. Let's see. Okay, I don't want to force it, okay? I could see us coming around this range for a continuous downtrend, but I don't like to force things. If you don't see it clearly, like easily, I don't like to force them. Let's see Bitcoin. Okay, that was this. Bitcoin, didn't go for it. Okay, I think I deleted the order. It didn't activate. Please deactivate. Sorry. But structurally, best place I would like to see Bitcoin now. Not like I would like to see looking at structure from 1 day time frame. Let me delete all this so you can have a clearer picture. On a day, the best place I feel like you will see Bitcoin come to visit this area. You'll be expecting a move to the upside, a stronger move to the upside. Oh, that's 78K. That's a lot of movement. Let's see 4 hours. Sometimes I just use all these arrows to teach and to show direction. Was the zone I was expecting it to come to. At the moment, to be honest, I don't see no structure I can go with on this. The way the market is right now, I try as much not to force any trades. Do you understand? I'm still looking at the same thing on card JPY, you know, expecting the same move for it to come down to this side and we can take it up from there. As for CHF JPY, yeah, card JPY rather. This CHF JPY will be faster. I don't want this video to be too long. Uh, I don't see nothing on this. Germany 30, very long I took that asset. Euro AUD, no sensible stuff. So this is Euro card. Not traded this pair in a very long time. Euro CHF. Just in a general market outlook, but I've not traded most of this pair in a while. Just 1 second. Okay, Euro GBP. Unstructured, so it didn't do what I was expecting it to do. Euro JPY. After he gave us this very sweet move to the upside, We got our TP and I'm not seeing another structure on it. Euro NZD, nothing. Euro USD, I've not seen any other thing on it. That's GBP AUD. To be honest, I marked up this chart on my other computer and I totally forgot to take it. I mean the buy, not the sell. Oh, even the sell activated on Friday. Wow, crazy. Freaking 124 pips. It didn't even come close to the sell. Okay, let me go back to it and see if I see something for the week. Yeah, it's taking the move to the upside, going for the downside. Now let's see what to do from this sell, then we can make a decision. Let me just go to regular pairs. I trade most times, so I'm not going to take too long on this recording. If I want to see GJ do anything, the first place I want to see it come to is this. Just looking at it like bear high. Uh, if I want to streamline, go down. Okay, let me see where I would love to see it come to. Somewhere around here. Yes, somewhere around here will be a good move for me. So when the market opens, I'm still going to do, see my entries and the rest of them. But this is going to be a good entry. Let me see how, let's imagine we're taking it from here. Let me see how many pips we're looking to make. I go for the previous high. I don't like to do too much. It's about 57 pips for 272. Not a bad one. That's what GJGN. Nothing, 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 nothing. NAS 100. NVD card. NVDJPY. NVD SPS 500. Here's the card. Here's the J. I think I see something on the FTJ. Though it has activated, but I think I love the old move on it there. Look at it. Took off from here. Only know my thing. They can match my energy. Yeah, I love it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. There's another one. It's nice. And just to go, okay, let's see oil, crude oil. Oil has been jumping, jumping, jumping. Sure, okay. Look at crude oil. Jumping, jumping. That's no structure. Fundamentals. Then this gold on a 4 hours time frame. This never activated. Let me just delete it because you didn't get the entry. when I see structure change, even if I have an entry, I just go ahead and take it off. I don't want to, make unnecessary losses. Let's see 1 hour hold. Okay, this was where we took the entry from, but I took us out. This is actually my best entry on gold, but it traveled and never looked back. So we no concrete markup right now. I will just wait for the market to open. And whatever I see in the market, I'm going to send out to you guys. So that's all I have for now, guys. I wish you a very successful trading week. Don't forget, I don't always have to trade. I only trade when I see a very good structure. You understand, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.